Have you ever wondered how birds manage to find their way over thousands of miles during migration? Remarkably, many species possess a natural GPS, relying on the Earth's magnetic field. Birds detect magnetic fields through specialized proteins in their eyes, allowing them to perceive directional cues. This ability aids them in navigating during their long journeys, whether it's the Arctic tern traveling from pole to pole or swallows migrating between continents. Scientists believe that these navigational skills are honed through generations, combining instinct with environmental awareness. This extraordinary talent underscores the intricate relationship between nature and the Earth, revealing a hidden dimension of avian life.